how to block and unblock a contact in Viber. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your Viber application on your device. After opening up, you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the chat boxes with your friends on the home page of Viber. So you have to select the person to whom you want to block. So in order to block, you need to tap on the name of the person on the upper section of the left hand side. And from over here, you'll be able to see the block this contact option at the bottom. So you have to simply tap on that and the person has been blocked. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates from us. Now let's see how to unblock the person. In order to unblock, you can simply tap on the unblock this contact option at the bottom, and by simple tap, the person will be unblocked. So by following this simple step, you can block and unblock a contact in Viber. So hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.